Now we're going to take a look at the shape tools, and let's start with a blank file. Just click File, New, Blank File, and then you can set the size of your image. I choose 400 pixels for the height. The resolution 72 pixel per inch is the resolution for web. I let it stay that way. If I wanted to make an image for print, I would set this to 300 pixel per inch. First, we have the rectangle tool. Just simply drag from one corner to the other to create your shape. You can also press down the Shift key after you begin to click and drag to make a perfect square. Pressing Shift before you click and drag won't work. The same goes for rounded rectangles. The only difference is that you can affect the radians, which will affect the corners, like this. And the ellipse tool will let you draw an oval area from corner to corner. And to make a perfect circle, that's right, just press down the Shift key. Now, let's take a look at the polygon tool. You click and drag, just like you did before to make a polygon. In the options bar, you can specify how many sides you want on the polygon. Like this. You can also select the polygon options for making your polygon look like a star. And by changing percentage of the indent sides, you will change the appearance of the star as well. Now let's try another one, another kind of a star. Here we go. The line tool will simply draw a line. You set the width in the panel option, in the options bar. To make a straight line, just press down Shift key. And now let's make the line a bit broader. I press down Shift, and it's nothing to this actually, just draw your lines. But the custom shape tool is a little different from the other shaping tools. In the options bar, you can choose from various amount of shapes, and to see them all, just click the white triangles and choose all elements shapes, and you see a lot of shapes. To make the drop down bigger, just drag the right corner and then choose your shape. I think I go for the butterfly. Double click to select and close the drop down. Then just click and drag to draw your shape. Your shape are vector graphics, which means that they can be reshaped or distorted or made bigger without losing image quality. Each time you draw a shape, it will appear as a shape in the Layers panel. You can rename the shape by double-click on the name, and by having the right layer, in this case, the butterfly layer selected, you can choose Shape Selection tool and then just move the corners, drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller. Click the green check mark for OK. The quality will stay unchanged as opposite to photos and non-vectorized forms.